While most kids are still sleeping in, Shelton School District's facilities crew is running a 2.5-month sprint to get every classroom, hallway, and playground ready for day one. Planning that actually starts the moment the last school bell rings.
The summer is the busiest time of year for us here at the Shelton School District, right? We spend a whole year basically trying to plan out for a 2.5-month period.
Every project goes through the same lens: safety first, student learning second, asset life third.
Well, so one of the first thing that comes to mind is heaving sidewalks, right? That being in Shelton, right, we have trees everywhere, and they do not work well with nice, beautiful walkways, right? We have lots at the high school, and they heave over time, especially because of roots. That's a safety issue.
With state funding down and costs up, Facilities is asked to trim labor, materials, and contracts, yet still keeping $300 million in buildings humming.
Facilities department spends money, right? There's a lot of money to keep $300 million plus of facilities operating every year for 5,000 students and staff. We are directly impacted when there are budget cuts. There's no other way to do it. It's a big chunk of money. And so in order for the district to balance its budget, we have to reduce our spending in labor and materials and contracts.
So the team shops smarter, right down to the soap dispensers.
So we're constantly reviewing different vendors that bring different pricing. We're not locked in to any specific contracts in our department. So this year we've been able to reduce some of our costs for hand soap, for instance. That was quite successful to be able to do that, right? We also are part of co-ops with the state and other municipal districts and school districts to also, at times when we can't in the open market find better prices, the co-ops actually help us to buy things at less expensive prices, and through the ESD as well.
Volunteers and PTA groups help fill the gaps: paintbrushes, playground builds, even trail cleanups.
Those types of partnerships working together help stretch the district's resources further and bring better outcomes for kids.
This summer, Cedar High School moved back onto district property, saving travel time and sharing services with Choice High School.
Now we have access to more counseling, and then also student support networks, and whether it's psychological care or the Student and Family Resource Center that's available here at Choice High School, right? And so it allows things to work more efficiently and actually bring students closer to where those services are.
Old gear isn't tossed, it's sold. Revenue heads straight back to the general fund.
We have a surplus sale, which ours is scheduled for August 5th and 6th. And so we hope the community, these are useful items to the community, and so they can be reused. And that money that is collected goes back into the general fund.
The newest building uses a high-efficiency VRF system, heating and cooling rooms only when they need it.
Our utility bills are millions of dollars, right, over the whole year and through the whole school district, right? And so everywhere where we can save money has a payoff, right? And so this space especially is over 50,000 square feet in the A building. And if that large of a space was being heated at the same efficiency that OMS was when it was built in 2004, that would really be a budget buster.
District-wide LED retrofits, motion sensors, and PUD grants aim to finish the switch. Timeline pending funding.
We were hoping to actually have this by 2030 be completely moved over to LED and smart lighting systems, but due to budget limitations, those goalposts are probably going to be extended further out.
Even the mini dome floor, which hosts classes, games, and community events, gets a week-long treatment.
So every year we have to go in and you take almost a whole week of stripping this down to get the coat that was on there before. It is to keep it to where we can use it as long as we possibly can before it breaks down. And as it is, I mean, it's shown its age a lot, but it's the best we can to maintain it as long as we possibly can and be able to use it for as long as we can.
From sidewalk safety to smart lighting, every dollar counts, and every helping hand matters. Visit sheltonschools.org and learn how you can volunteer, donate, or just simply stay informed during the next school board meeting.